Every sunrise, come back to me. Every morning when I wake, I still reach out for your hand, but the pillow cold beside me like an empty stretch of sand. The sunshine can't warm me heart since you're gone away. Every little breeze remind me of the words you used to say. Me hear the ocean calling, still me whisper your name. Nothing in this whole world ever feel the same. Me pray to Jah each evening, guide you safely home, 'cause without your loving, baby, me feel so alone. Every heartbeat keep reminding love's still burning bright. Me keep hoping you'll return before another night. Missing you every minute, every day. Me heart still calling, baby, please come back my way. Missing you like the flowers miss the rain. Only your sweet loving can heal this aching pain. Missing you till the stars no longer shine. Me heart will always wait, 'cause you're forever mine. Moonlight dancing upon the water, still me standing all alone. Every wave keep asking me when you're coming home. The palm trees softly swaying like them dancing feeling it. But close my eyes and picture you smiling just to say, me still wear your favorite perfume, me still sing our favorite song. Every memory remind me, oh, our love's still strong. People tell me time will heal, but me heart know better. True love written by Jah only grows stronger. Me not stop believing, me not lose my faith, 'cause true love always find its perfect place. Every minute, every day, me heart still calling, baby, please come back my way. Missing you like the flowers miss the rain. Only your sweet loving can heal this aching pain. Missing you till the stars no longer shine. Me heart will always wait, 'cause you're forever mine. Me still love you, that never change. If tomorrow bring you home and never let you go again, every tear I cry tonight only prove my love remain. Me believe Jah hear my prayer, every word me softly say. One day you will walk back home and forever stay. Brings a prayer, we still feel your loving spirit floating through the air. The birds them keep on singing like them know you on your way. Me heart refuse to give up, me still believe today. If the road seem long and lonely, me still walk it faithfully, 'cause deep inside my soul you belong with me. We remember every lie one day you come back home. One love, one love. You make my heart smile. Baby, every time I see your face, you can't help but smile. God bless me with a love so sweet. Every morning when the sun rise, we see forever in your eyes. The birds them sing a melody, just like you sing to me. But never know love could feel so right till you came into my life. Every little word you say brighten up my day. You hold me close so tenderly, like Jah answer every plea. Me heart overflow with joy every time you call me baby. Them can't talk what them want say, but now make them lead me astray. Cause Jah know deep inside you're forever by my side. Every smile you give to me set me worried spirit free. Boy, you are my sweetest song, where me truly belong. You make my heart smile every single day, with your loving arms around me, everything okay. You make my heart smile like sunshine after rain. Every kiss you give to me take away the pain. You make my heart smile, me forever true. Jah know me life complete, every day with you. Walking barefoot on the sand, holding tightly to your hand, watching waves roll gently in, knowing true love always wins. The breeze whisper through the trees, bring me heart such perfect peace. Every sunset by your side fill me soul with pride. Me remember lonely days before Jah crossed your ways. Now every morning feels brand new, cause me wake beside you. No matter where the road may bend, me will love you till the end. Every blessing from above overflow with endless love. Boy, you make me spirit sing, more precious than any ring. Me thank Jah endlessly for bringing you to me. You make my heart smile every single day, with your loving arms around me, everything okay. You make my heart smile like sunshine after rain. Every kiss you give to me take away the pain. You make my never stay the same. Every sunrise, every dawn, keep our love moving on. Years may pass and seasons change, still my love remain the same. Every wrinkle, every smile, worth every mile. Me will stand beside you always, through the laughter and the tears, loving you more every morning for 1,000 years. And I need no fancy things, no diamonds or gold rings. Your love alone complete me soul and make me spirit whole. You are me blessing from above, me greatest gift of love. Me heart forever choose a life with only you. You make my heart smile morning, noon and night. Every moment spent together, everything feels right. You make my heart smile more than words can say. Me will always love you, darling, every single day. You make my heart smile, forever you and me. God bless, we love eternally, for all eternity. You make my heart smile, me king, me everything, forever. Yeah, my baby, from the first day me hold your hand, me know a forever kind of love, one love. Every sunrise bring me joy, knowing you belong to me. Like the waves upon the ocean, flowing endlessly. When you smile, my world get brighter, like the morning sun above. Every little thing you do, fill me out with love. Me remember all the lonely nights before you came away. Know me wake up thanking Jah each and every day. Boy, me so recognize you from the very start. Jah writing you forever deep inside me heart. No matter where life carry we, me not let you go. Every beat inside my chest, only you would know. Forever loving you till the rivers stop flowing. Forever loving you till the flowers stop growing. Forever loving you every night and every day. My heart belong to you, and forever it will stay. Forever loving you, me king, me guiding light, wrapped inside your loving arms. Everything feels right. Walking on the beach together, watching the evening sky. Every sunset paint a picture of you and I. The breeze whisper through the palm trees, like a sweet love melody. Every moment spent together feel like destiny. When me rest me head on your shoulder, me worries fade away. Your sweet loving comfort me more than words can say. Them can never keep choosing only you. Morning coffee by the shoreline, watching boats drift by. Every dream me ever dreamed, no, living in your eyes. Years may pass and seasons change, still my love remain. Like the moonlight on the ocean, always shine again. Every heartbeat tell a story, every kiss feel new. But now stop believing me, forever loving you. You are the song me sing, the joy that life can bring. My best friend and my lover, my treasure above every other. Me not need no riches, no silver and no gold. As long as you're there with me, me never feel cold. Just join we hearts together, nothing can divide me. Forever choose you, forever by your side, forever loving you. From sunrise until night, every day me thank Jah for bringing you in my life. Oh, forever loving you till the end of time. Every heartbeat whisper, I'm forever dying. Forever loving you, no matter where we go. Our love keep getting stronger, more than you could know. Forever loving you, me heart's forever true. Today, tomorrow, always. Me forever loving you. Me forever loving you. Forever, forever. My darling, from the first moment me looked in your eyes, me know my heart would never belong to another. Jah bless this love, one love. Every morning when me rise, me thank Jah for your love. Like the sunshine on the ocean, a blessing from above. You smile brighter than the daylight, your touch calm my soul. Every time you hold me close, you make my spirit whole. Me search so long for true love, now my journey done. Me found forever in you, me one and only one. Them can never change my mind, me know where me belong. Every beat inside me, I keep singing this sweet song. With Jah guiding every step, me never feel alone. Cause every road me walk now lead me safely home. My love belongs to you, from now until forever. Nothing in this whole world could break we bond together. My love belongs to you, body, soul and heart. Even if the whole world change, we'll never drift apart. My love belongs to you, every sunrise too. We thank Jah every single day for blessing me with you. Walking by the seaside, barefoot in the sun. Me feel so safe and happy, holding your strong hand. The breeze sing sweet love sounds, the palm trees gently sway. Every little memory brighten up my day. Your kiss sweeter than honey, your voice calm every fear. trust you with my future, my dreams and every plan. Just send you into my life, me wonderful man. My love belongs to you, from now until forever. Nothing in all this whole world could break we bond together. My love belongs to you, body, soul and heart. Even if the whole world change, we'll never drift apart. My love belongs to you. Every sunrise too, me thank Jah every single day for blessing me with you. Come dance with me, just you and me. If the rain begins to fall, we'll dance beneath the sky. If the wind blows strong tonight, me still stay by your side. Every promise that we make, we know we'll always keep. 'Cause true love planted by Jah forever grows so deep. Morning coffee by the shoreline, watching boats sail away. Still me heart keep thanking Jah for every brand new day. Years may come and years may go, still my love remain. Like the ocean meet the shore again and again. Every heartbeat call your name, every dream come true. My whole life become complete since me found you. Me nah need no fancy riches, diamonds or gold. Your sweet loving keep me warm whenever nights get cold. Me promise to cherish you every breath me take. This love is built on honesty, no one can ever break. Jah write a story long ago, before we even knew. Now me proudly sing loud, my love belongs to you. My love belongs to you. Forever side by side, every step and every dream. With you, me will ride. My love belongs to you, forever faithful, true. Every heartbeat, every prayer, still lead me back to you. My love belongs to you, till the stars stop shine. Me will always love you, baby, till the end of time. My love belongs to you, me king, me forever love. One love forever. Ooh, baby, only you alone can hold me like nobody else. Every sunrise brings a blessing, every morning starts with you. Me thank Jah for every moment, every love so pure and true. When you wrap your arms around me, every fear just fade away. May heart find peace and comfort in every word you say. Me never know love could be so gentle and so strong. Now every road me walk, me know is where me belong. search from east to west, they never find another. No one loved me so the way you always discover. Jah know exactly what me need before me even knew. That's why I'm saying an angel, and that angel is you. Only you can hold me like the moon embrace the sea. Only you can love me just the way me need. Only you can hold me when the nights grow cold, wrapped inside your loving arms. Me never feel alone. Only you can hold me forever, me stay true. Every beat inside me heart keep calling out for you. Walking by the ocean side, watching sunset glow. Every step me take with you make me love just grow. The breeze I sing sweet melodies, palm trees gently sway. Every little smile you give brighten up my day. Me love how you protect me with kindness every day. You never stop reminding me everything okay. When the world become confusing, you calm me worried mind. Every time I look at you, true happiness me find. Me now worry about tomorrow, as long as you then here. Jah bless we with a love that few people ever share. Only you can hold me like the moon embrace the sea. Only you can love me just the way me need. Only you can hold me when the nights grow cold, wrapped inside your loving arms. Me never feel alone. Only you can hold me forever, me stay true. Every beat inside me heart keep calling out for you. Hold me closer now. Never let me go. If the rain begins to fall, we'll dance beneath the sky. If the storm clouds gather, we'll face them side by side. Every promise that we make, we know we always keep. 'Cause true love planted by Jah forever grows so deep. Years may pass and seasons change, still my love remains. Like the rivers meet the ocean again and again. Every sunrise find me smiling, knowing you are mine. Every sunset whisper softly, our love forever shine. Me not trade this love for your riches, silver, pearls or gold. Your sweet loving is the treasure me forever hold. You are the rhythm